Today, I'm going to teach you how to add gear or a bicycle on Strava. Alright, so I'm starting here by opening the Strava application on my device. Once the app loads and I'm on the main screen, I'm heading straight to the top of the interface where I'll find my profile icon. That's the first thing I need to click to get into the settings area where gear options are located. After I tap on my profile icon, I'm now looking at my profile page. From here, I need to scroll down through the different sections until I find the one labeled gear. This is where all my equipment and gear settings are stored, so I'm just scrolling down slowly, making sure I don't miss it, and once I spot gear, I'm tapping on it to open that section. Now that I'm inside the gear section, I can see any existing gear I've already added, if there is any, but right now, I'm looking for the option to add something new, so I'm tapping on Add Gear to start the process of adding a new piece of equipment. As soon as I tap that, Strava opens up a selection screen where I can choose what type of gear I want to add. At this point, I'm selecting bike from the available options. This tells Strava that I'm adding a bicycle rather than shoes or any other equipment. Once I select bike, Strava takes me into the bike setup screen where I can customize all the details for this specific piece of gear. Now I can see a field labeled default sports and I'm clicking on that to choose which activity this bike will be used for. For example, I'm selecting ride as the sport since that's what I'll be doing with this bike. This helps Strava automatically associate this bike with the right type of activities. Next, I'm moving down to the nickname field. This is where I can give the bike a custom name that makes it easy to identify later. So I'm typing in a nickname that makes sense to me, something simple that I'll recognize when I'm logging rides. After that's done, I'm heading over to the bike type drop-down menu. I'm clicking on it to see the different bike types available, and then I'm selecting the one that matches my bike, whether that's road, mountain, gravel, or something else. This just helps organize the gear more accurately. Now I'm moving on to the brand name field. Here I'm typing in the brand of my bike, and right below that I'm also entering the model name. These fields help keep track of the specific bike I'm using, especially if I have multiple bikes or plan to add more in the future. Once that's done, I'm scrolling down a bit further to the weight field. I'm entering the weight of the bike here. This is helpful for tracking the total weight I'm carrying during rides, especially if performance metrics matter to me. If I want to add any extra details or reminders about this bike, I can use the notes field. This is optional, but it's a good spot to include things like maintenance reminders, upgrades, or anything else worth remembering. I'm just typing in whatever information feels useful at this point. Once I've filled in all the details and everything looks accurate, I'm heading down to the bottom of the screen where I see the Save button. I'm tapping on Save Now, and Strava processes the information and adds this bike to my gear list. At this point, the bike is officially saved and will show up whenever I log a ride or check my gear settings. So that's it. I opened Strava, tapped my profile icon, scrolled down and clicked gear, tapped add gear, selected bike, chose the sport, entered a nickname, selected the bike type, filled in the brand and model, added the weight, included any notes if needed, and tapped save. And now the bike is ready to be used and tracked. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.